Yeah, hello. We are here with Merlin on geocaching. Starkirche in Basel. Now we're going looking for the new amazing cache. There was a Norway Street, a bush with very options. Let's research a 96 favorite geocache. And we're looking here. There's a biking tour. And here we have an interesting thing on this building. Here drives the tram, number 11. But we are here for the cache. Now we're looking at this very dangerous. And what having we here? A new amazing cache by geocaching with Merlin. Looking, Merlin? Oh, bye bye. Very nice cache.